Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is the second part, or where we left off after the first video. Now, remember I said I couldn't figure out this grid lines. Well, I wasn't thinking. So when we chose the horizontal category, add your axis major grid lines, okay? Here's the horizontal category, and I wasn't thinking that way, and also the grid lines are going to go up from there, and I was thinking vertical. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyways, the category axis is going horizontal, okay? So now, if I click on the drop down here, I've got the horizontal category axis, all right? So they are blue right now, so I'm going to change them, and I'm going to make them purple so that you can see that they changed to purple. Now, if I want the other ones, here I want the vertical value. So again, they're the ones going horizontally, but they're on the vertical value axis. So that threw me off. I wasn't paying attention, so I'm going over that with you. So it's the vertical axis they're on, and we had them as orange, and I will change them now and maybe make them, well, I don't know what color. I'll maybe make this blue. Yeah, okay. So now you can see both the axes. So anyways, it was a good learning experience, and now you'll think about, so when it's horizontal axis, they're going to go up. When it's the primary value axis, they're going to go horizontal. So don't get yourself mixed up. But remember, it's a good case in point where you go to format and pick out the object that you want to format, and then that way you know you've got the right thing. Okay, so that was good there. That's what we wanted to do. And now make sure you're on the chart area. Okay, so click here, make sure you're on the chart area, and if you're on the chart area, then you will see Format Chart Area. Okay, in the Shape Styles group, we can click on the More button, and we could choose something. You don't want anything super dark or anything like that, but you can come down here and choose what you want. I'm still going to stay with, I want something lighter. Actually, I like the color that I chose better. So I'll go to that one, and then I'm going to come over here, chart area, and it gave me a gradient. Okay, I can do this gradient, and I'm going to go to transparency, and I'm going to lighten it up. Hold on here. Okay, I lightened it up a bit, but you know what? I still like the solid color, so I'm going to go to the solid color and go back to what I had. That looks better to me. Okay, so I've got that, and I didn't choose the style that I wanted. That's all right. Okay, everything's looking good now. So I'm going to say click on your spreadsheet, go Control S to save. Now, if you want to do a quick way to go to File Print, you can go Control and Function key F2, and it'll take you to Print. So this time, you've gone to Print. Now, it said in the scaling group, fit to one page. Well, mine fits to one page. I'll go to Page Setup, and I'm at 100%. So I think you're fine. I don't think we have to size anything down, but obviously if you do, then size it down. I went ahead and did my headers and footers. Don't put a picture in this one because we're going to have 2 pages, and do your path and file names. So I put that all in ahead of time just to save me time there. So do your headers and footers, you're good. And then I'm going to go back here. All right, and now we are going to create another chart. Okay, so it asks us to select the cells A3 to B18. All right, it said copy them, go Control C, and then it said go to F3 and go Control V. Now it asks us to change the date, so we are supposed to key in May 16th. Okay, so you're going to put in May 16, comma, space, 2019. Now, the only piece that's going to show is the day and the month, but the year is in there. It's just the format we have on it. So there we've got the dates that we want to have. All right, so now we want to we select our data from F4 down to G18. Oh no, pardon me. We want to take F3 to G18. There we go. And we're going to click on Insert, and we're going to go to Line Chart again, and we're going to say Line with Markers. All right. Now this time we're going to go to the Move Chart button. So click up here on your Design, Chart Tools Design, Move Chart. And we want to move it to a new sheet. Okay. And we want to say OK. And there it has been moved to a new sheet. And mine's called Chart 2. Yours will be called Chart 1 because I started this video over again. So that's all right. Okay, so what I want you to do is right-click the line. So click on the line, and you're going to right-click and go to Format Data Series. And again, we're going to go to Line and Fill, choose a solid line. So choose a different color line than you did the last time. So I'll maybe go with the navy. All right. And set the line width to 3. So you did this the last time, so you're used to doing that. And then in the marker, remember we want to make the marker green, and we want to go to Marker Options. And in the built-in one, I'm going to choose a diamond this time. You choose what you want and put in size 10. We know it's large, but it's just so that you can see it. And remember the marker fill color. I chose yellow the last time, so this time I think I'll choose green. Okay, so my fill color is green. All right, that's good. And now I want to go to the border color, line color, and I will make it, I think I'll make it this orange. All right, and then size my line up to about 2. And you should, that's enough. I'm at 1.75. I don't think I'll make it any more than that. That's good. In fact, I think I'll size it down 1 to 1.5. Okay, so that's good there. You've got that. And then we want to go to Effects. So we want to go here to Effects. We want to go to Shadow. And this time choose any shadow option, but choose one that you can see. So I'm going to go to diagonal top left. That's what I'm going to choose. And I'm going to choose a color. Actually, I'm going to go to more colors and get a pink. All right. And there's my pink shadow. And as I told you, we can move it. If we want to move it out, we can move it out, or we can change the angle so that we change which way it's going to go. All right, so that looks good. And now click the chart background. So now we're on the chart background. And we want to go to Add Chart Element. And now I've already got a title on mine. I don't know if you had, but click on the title. And here we want the title. Go to Chart Title. And above Chart, yeah, that's perfect. Okay. And now key in Website Hits. Okay, so we'll put in Website Hits. And go Shift Home. And size it up to about size 24. And let's go, I'll go with navy for the color. I'll go with navy. Oh, I think I had about, there's the one I used. So I'm going to same color. I'm going to bold, and I'll go to italics. Okay, so that's good there. And oh, it said make a size 28. Okay, so I was close. But again, you can use your judgment here what you want to set the size at. Okay. And now this time we still got the chart title selected here. So we want to go to our Format tab. Okay. And we want to go to Shape Fill, and we're going to put a fill in here. So let's put a light color. We went with the blue, so let's go with a light blue. Okay, I'll click off so you can see it, and I have filled it with a color. And now the shape outline, we'll go to no outline. Or actually I could put pink on it. If I went shape outline, put pink, then it goes with my chart. So I like that. Or you can do, like it said, no outline. So if I went and chose no outline, then I'll click off. Oh, how come it didn't go off? Shape outline, no outline. All right, now it has no outline. So it's whichever one you like better. It doesn't matter to me. Actually, I kind of liked my pink, so I'm going to go with it. All right, and now on the Shape Effects button, so we want to go to Shape Effects, and we're supposed to go to Bevel. So go down to Bevel, and you're supposed to choose the Circle Bevel. So therefore, you made it just look quite a bit nicer. All right, and it says drag it to the left. So, click on it here, drag it to the left. And it said just so that you don't interfere with the numbers, okay? All right, now we want to go here. Maybe I should put it all the way over. Hold on here. Yeah, I think that looks better. All right, so now make sure you're on the Chart Tools Design tab. Okay, so there's a Chart Tools Design tab. And we want to add an axis. So click on the chart title, and we want to add an axis, and we want primary horizontal, and we've got that on there, primary horizontal. So let me go down and have a look. I can't see it, so I'm going to add it. What's wrong here? Axis. Oh, I didn't go to axis titles. Sorry. Axis titles, primary horizontal. This is what I want. Okay, so I'm going to select this text. And we're supposed to type in May 16th through 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 May 30th. All right, and I'm going to go Shift Home, and I'm going to stick with my color blue that I went with here before. And I think I'll make it bold, and I think I made the last one size 14. But as you know, we can choose whatever we want there. Okay, now you were asked to click on the horizontal category axis. So here's our horizontal category axis, so make sure that you've got that selected. All right, and now we're going to go to the Format Selection button. Okay, so we're going to go to Format. And here's the Format Selection button, and it brought up the Format Axis, okay? Now, it asks you to go to the tick marks. So let's go down here to tick marks, all right? Tick marks. And now, it says Major Type, and let's take a look here, all right? So we're going to go to Major Type, and it says, hold on, if I choose a cross, can you see them? Yes, now you likely can't see this in my video, but if you look on your screen, you see this little tick here. It's very little, but you can see it, all right? Now, if I go and choose inside, you should see that they're just above the line. Can you see the little tick marks just above the line? If I go and choose the outside, now do you see they're below the line? And it's really tough to see, but they're below the line. All right, and now if you choose a cross, it goes up and down on both sides. It's halfway on the top, halfway on the bottom. So I hope you can see that on your screen clearer than what I can show it to you here in the video. Let's go back to sheet 1 here, and let's go to Category Axis, and let's go to tick marks and see if you can see it on there better. So I'm going to go to Major, and I'm going to say inside. Okay, you can just see where this is raised up, so yes, you can see them on the inside. If you go here and choose them on the outside, then you can see them just barely coming down. Can't really see that. And then if I choose a cross, now you can see here them. You can see the space above and there's space below. All right, I have to stop. I'll stop and come back.